Amazon Fire HD8 2016. Let's play it. On Jack Star Spring Craft. Let's do it. Oh wait. Okay. Alright. Let's do it. Play it. Let's do it. Okay. Duck Strong Spring Cleaning Animation. Okay. Let's do it. Play. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, thank you so much. Oh yeah. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It's 1.5 gigabyte of RAM. This one's good. This looks better. It's 1.5 gigabytes of RAM. Just don't have to check the RAM. On the device info, have to check RAM. Excuse me. Which my oldest ones is back in April 2020. Oldest. I had it. And it's. That's your. Oh look. Hey, come on. This 1.1 gigabyte of RAM. Yay! It looks better right now. The first phone is same as my RAM is my first phone. Same as RAM is my first phone. Thank you. Sorry about that. It's just my phone cameras. Sorry. It's just selfie camera. Sorry about that. Yeah. Oh, it's BBC iPlayer. Okay. Okay. Thank you guys. Love YouTube. Yeah. Thank you so much. I just come to see you in the next video. Thank you so much. And you got Amazon Prime Max 11. No. This is so big. This right there. Not this one. This is an Amazon Fire HTA 2016. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe and see you in the next video. Peace out right now. Say goodbye. Bye bye guys. We're going to like and subscribe. Okay.